the second thing I emphasize on in the mentorship program is mindset, because for mid-career professionals, our mind is our biggest enemy actually. So what has been the change or shift that you have observed after completing the program, before and after? Have you seen a noticeable change in yourself in the way you go about doing things?
Yes. Here I would like to speak something more about something more than my professional life actually, which is about the daily success ritual which I had followed. So it really worked for me, not just in my professional life but in my personal life as well, to achieve certain personal goals, to maintain a better relationship, and also I can actually think in that direction and get those things.
Wonderful.
So that is what daily success ritual has helped me. So
wow. So it's good that you brought it up. So that means you are practicing it every day. Yes. And you're priming your mind to focus on what you want, right?
Yes. Yes.
Otherwise, naturally, we tend to gravitate towards things that we don't want, like our fears, frustrations, all the risks, and all the failures. Mind always gravitates towards that. Wonderful. So I'm very happy to see that.
It's a human tendency to go towards the negative things and think on the negative lines rather than focus on the positive things. So that thing has helped me to focus on positive things and then make that or bring that into reality.
Yeah.
So that has helped.
And also, like, when that positivity that you're talking about, right? It is now reflecting on your face also. Like when you're talking, I can see it. Okay, I can see a different Rohan now. More confident. Rohan knows what he wants now. It's like, and Rohan knows how to get it. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
I mean, do people around you also feel that difference?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wonderful. Now, the last area that I wanted to talk about is personal branding. So for somebody in your at your level, with your experience, it's important to differentiate yourself in the market. So personal brand plays an important role. Now, do you see? Have you noticed change in the way people look at you? I mean, do you feel like now you're more known in your industry? Of course, you've started building your personal brand on LinkedIn, through other means. But are you seeing any noticeable changes on that front? Like, before Rohan and after Rohan, like, do you see that you are now more discoverable, more noticeable by people? It could be recruiters or somebody else.
Yes, definitely. For recruiters, that's the LinkedIn part. For recruiters, I am visible and I, kind of people do approach me. But apart from that, I think personal brand has something to do with you as a personal person as well. So that is something which is, visible in my existing industry, where people or the existing teams, they approach me, or my existing the colleagues in my existing team, they also approach me with a different attitude, and that's really helping me out.
Wonderful.